Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
What's up, good people? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is like the first video that I'm talking to you guys in 2025. So for that reason, happy new year, happy 2025. I hope so far you are enjoying it. I know I've not been recording for you guys since the year started. It's now February 15th. Yesterday was Valentine's. Yeah, I hope you had a great day. And it was also my little boy's, my nephew's birthday. Yeah, so let me first tell you what you're going to do. So today you're going to prepare breakfast. As you can see, we are in the kitchen. Yeah, so you're going to make breakfast for today. That's what you're going to do. You're going to prepare breakfast. Then after that, I'll be heading out. I got some gifts for little boy, but I haven't wrapped the gifts. And I also want to get some more and get the wrapping paper and the gift bags. So I want to prepare breakfast, take shower, then head out and do all that. Yeah, so happy new year guys. I hope 2025 is taking you well. I hope it's smooth for you. I hope you are having productive days, and I hope you are working hard and smart. Yeah, personally I'm good. Yeah, but it's not like I've not been posting. I've been posting the videos that I did back in December when I was at home. Yeah, so we're going to prepare pancakes and coffee. Yeah, I'm kind of having an allergy, yeah, baridi. So I have a running nose, but we'll control that. I still have my January set of nails, but we need to change that. So let's set everything and start cooking. Yeah, I'm just going to prepare the native pancakes that I normally prepare anytime I do pancakes. I've not watched any recipe on YouTube or Pinterest or TikTok, so I'm just going to make the basic pancakes that I normally do. So let's do this.
Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
So I'll be using this milk. I have my cooking oil here on this small bowl. Flour. I love ajab for anything wheat, but when it comes to ugali, I love dola. Don't know, sijui nikitengenezea hapa zitatosha. I don't want to make a lot of them, so I just use this one. I'll use 2 eggs. Sometimes following an online recipe might mess your meal up. I said sometimes. Sometimes you end up making something that you won't even eat or you won't enjoy eating. So that's why I just want to make the basic pancakes that my mind tells me this is the right procedure. How is this egg broken? And it's even dry inside. So these people are selling us things that are not in good condition. Na zenye zimeoza, eggs that are rotten. Wow. Just wow. Okay. I'll use 2 spoons of flour. Or maybe 2.5. No, 2. Then I'm going to add some sugar. So I'll then mix my flour and the sugar. I think ni kitambo since I ever cooked pancakes, so nimesahau. I'm not sure if I should add salt or no. Tell me in the comments if I should do so. I'm done with making the flour. The pan is heating up and my neighbor is playing some loud music. But let's do this.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'll crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Listen, listen. tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Besides, on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing the light. Them no big kill my vibe. No big kill, them no big kill, them no big kill my eyes busted. All of the stars, yeah, you shall find no bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Not here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
Rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.